not much that's cozier than working next to the window when it's snowing like this. Really big fluffy pieces. It's really pretty. Don't want to go out in it later. I don't want to drive in it, but it is beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see this, but we've just made another donation from the sales of the koala prints. So thank you so much, you guys. And after the last vlog, some of you placed orders for koala prints, so I've just made another donation. Good morning, good day everybody. It is Tuesday, the 11th of February, and it's Vespa's birthday. He's 7 today, and you know what we do on doggy birthdays? We make biscuits. So later in the vlog I'm going to make Vespa and Custard some more of those peanut butter biscuits. They went down a treat for Custard's birthday last month, so it's only right that I make Vespa a batch as well. They really enjoyed them. I feel like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards this morning. I'm not feeling very good. Yesterday was a bit of a write-off. I packed orders in the morning and then went to go and get in the car and had a completely flat tyre. It had a monster puncture somewhere on it because it was flatter than a witch's tit. Ugh. Luckily Papa Bear came to help me replace it. I felt a bit uneasy about doing it myself because I only ever done one tyre before, and that was like 10 years ago, so I didn't really want to do it myself. So he came to help me, bless him. And then I managed to get to the post office, and then it snowed, and by the time I got home I just thought, I don't want to do anything else today. I'm done. I'm not feeling great. I'm done. But today, in 2 minutes time, I'm going to go live with my patrons again for another draw with me. I have been challenged by my darling husband to draw something that I would not usually go for, and I'm a little bit scared. See if you can guess by this colour. Just dropped my rubber. See if you can guess by this colour palette what I'm going to be drawing. You'll see it anyway later in the vlog, but see if you can guess beforehand what it could be. Right then, I should probably go live. I've sketched it out already and I'm looking at it like, you intimidate me, but that is how we learn and we grow, yes? So what you need is a banana, half a cup of peanut butter, and 1.5 cups of rolled oats. This is my measurer thing. I think this is 1/3 of a cup. But I used this cutter last time and it made the perfect size little biscuits. I've got small dogs, so I don't know if you guys wanted to make your biscuits a bit bigger if you have bigger dogs. But I'm just going to do the same size again. My two seem to really appreciate this one, so let's do it. Just had to, I know it's the completely wrong time of year to do this, but oh, how have I got mud up the door? Not mud, compost. Vespa's like, oh, mummy. My yucca was starting to look really unhappy, so I've had to repot it. It's needed doing for the past couple of weeks, but because it's been so cold I've not wanted to do it, but hopefully he's okay. This is Yakov, the yucca. He's lovely. I love him so much. But he was in a really small pot and he was looking really unhappy. So hopefully this sorts him out, makes him feel a bit happier now that he's in a bigger pot. Just see if these are cool enough now to, I don't know whether they were stuck or not. Yeah, they're nice and cool. Yeah, I don't know, that one felt like it was stuck, but they come off the, I ran out of baking parchment, but they do come off the tin really easily. Yeah, they're nice and cool. For my doggos, happy birthday, my baby. Good boy. Good girl. Look at that tail. Was that nice? Ooh, you can finish the crumbs though. Thank you very much. Grubby. Grubby. Finish these crumbs. Look at that tail though, she loves them. Is that nice? Hello my loves, it is Wednesday and I am just editing a thumbnail for a Patreon video, and then what I'm going to do after that is return to the Chameleon that I started yesterday. I didn't get very much done, but I spent ages on him. I think this is going to be quite a timely piece, so I'll see how much I can get done today, but I don't want to rush him because I've never done a reptile before and all of these scales are no joke. No joke. So today didn't really go as planned. I've come down with a really bad cold. I think it's been building up for a few days, but I've been just lying on the bed with my iPad today. Tomorrow, Vespa's having his procedure, so I've got a nice freshly washed piece of vet bed here. I might actually put another blanket underneath this so it's a bit squishier for him. But I wanted to set up like a little rest zone in my studio space so he can sleep here with me in the day and not be in his crate all the time. At least in here I can keep an eye on him, make sure he's not moving too much. Good morning, it's Thursday, so I have secured my boy and we're going to go to the vets. I'm going to go drop Vespa off, do a quick post run, get something to eat, some superfoods, and then I'll be back. Oh God, I'm not feeling the healthiest today. What is going on? I feel like I got really bad, like, just my sinuses. I have superfoods. I'm also going to go get some fresh air with Custard. I dropped Vespa off. It went really well, to be honest. I thought that I would, you know, be a little bit more anxious to leave him, but I really wasn't, and I think because I trust the vet so much, it just makes all the difference really, doesn't it? But I should be able to go pick him up again later this afternoon. They said around 4ish, so hopefully nothing happens that makes him need to stay in overnight. So yeah, I'm going to take Custard for a really good long walk, just us two. Do you guys want to come along? Then when I get back, I think it's just, I'm going to get some more raspberry tea down my neck. Bit of echinacea, bit of echinacea tea. I think a bit of fresh air might help. Probably seems a bit backwards because I've got a cold and I should probably stay indoors, but I do also want to stretch my legs and get out, so let's see if it helps. Scotland Trail. It's really wet, so I'm probably going to put the camera away now because if I slip, I will show you. I do not want to drop my camera in this. Eee. Of course it's going to need a fit rinsing when we get back. So I've actually decided we're going to head back now because it's quite a lot of slopes all the way down there, and I really don't want to slip. They're not the best grippy wellies, so let's go back. Where are you going? Oh, she's going squirreling. Custard! Come on, baby. Go through these trees. Oh, look, a bird box. Don't know if there's anybody living in it. Maybe not, since the roof's on the floor. Bed. Good girl. Want a biscuit? Good girl. Of course, has just had her legs rinsed. They were really muddy. Just had a birthday biscuit. And now we're just gonna sit and do some work and wait for Vespa to be finished. You're gonna warm up and get snuggly? Yes. Look who's home. Bless him, he's doing really well. I have updates on this leg, which in fact, I'll just tell you now, when they actually had a proper look at him when he was sedated, they realised that it was actually his cruciate ligament that had torn, but he's had a slightly different procedure done. But that tear in the ligament was what was not supporting his knee, only happened to the one leg, and that's why we all thought that it was a luxating patella, because that is something he's had before in his other back leg. And because his knee was just popping out and felt really unstable, it did feel like a luxating patella as well to the vets, until they actually had the orthopaedic specialist in and was having a good feel whilst he was sedated, and it was a tear. So he's had a slightly different procedure, but he was a really good boy, weren't you? Yeah, he's got a little bit of banana there as well. He's had some tea and I gave him just a little chunk of banana. He's done really well today, I'm proud of him, but I'm just going to leave him in here for now because I'm going to go get a shower. He seems really comfortable there and it's just nice and quiet, so yeah, he's had his medicine, he shouldn't be in any pain. And thank you as well for all of your well wishes, we appreciate it, don't we, buddy? Yeah, talking about you. You good boy. Look at his bald bum cheek. I'm just so happy to have him home. Shut this door quietly so that he can get some sleep. So earlier in the vlog I was working on this piece, and I'm trying to work with some slightly different colour palettes when I'm doing my digital things. So I've got some swatches down here. I've created this little bunny, and I want to do some more bunnies for like Easter themed. I think I'm going to make some stickers out of this little guy in a minute. I need a shower first though because I'm cold and it's been a long day, and I'll talk about that more later. Dinner time. You look like a little fox. You doing okay?